Hello YouTube and welcome to my next video about the Logitech Illuminated Keyboard here. I'm using it now for about around 40 hours and let's tell you what I've noticed. I was really skeptical about this keyboard because the keys are a little bit flat. You can't push them that far in as used to on other Logitech and Windows keyboards, especially on the gaming keyboards, the G series with the Modus extra keys here. And another thing here is the rounded edges on the space bar and the other Control and Alt buttons, but I must tell you it does not bother me. Typing really feels great, so let's start. So its clickery noises are okay, and here's my Apple wireless keyboard in comparison. And the noise is higher because, I guess, of the aluminium. And this illuminated keyboard is more silent than the gaming keyboards from Logitech, because the keys are that big and you're moving them around and you got more volume and it's definitely more noisy on them with these big plastic keys. I was not using the extra FN buttons here. You got this orange FN button and then you get this control keys for email search or what else, play music and. But what I was using are, of course, the mute button and the volume keys. And in case you're wondering, yes, they are working fine with a Mac and on your Windows PC. And the last thing is the illumination button here. And let me try to show you. And its illumination is off, and if you push the button, and there we go, keys are lighting up. Also the orange, you can see the orange lightning really bright here. If you push it again, it dims a little bit and dims again, and if you push it again, it's off. So full, half, I guess a quarter, and off. Full, half, and that's pretty much it. Typing was a good experience on it. I liked it. It's not too noisy. I can push the buttons. I got used to the round space bar here, and I really dig the illumination features. It looks really nice on your desktop when it's getting darker. Would I buy this keyboard again? And it's not for me, as I already told you. I was really skeptical because it's that flat, and but yes, I liked typing on it, and I could imagine this keyboard being my all-day working keyboard. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope I could help you a little bit, and see you guys in the next video. Bye!